So what we were saying about the strumming, the kind of strumming that you use while playing for singers, while playing for Cante, accompaniment. This is very specific. Sometimes it can be more free, like just maybe just give the chord, or maybe just play it, strumming it. And then when you strum it, how you strum it. That's also a big concern there, because it's like a puzzle and you have to fit the proper pieces in the puzzle. You cannot just play anything there, right? Same, if you will do an ornament, like in the intro, this mandolin, the mandolin with the guitar, is playing different counterpoint structures, which we already analyzed in one of the 51 videos of Paco de Lucia, the only true innovator. We examine how these counterpoint falsettas were introduced by Paco into the flamenco contemporary guitar, and then after line of followers like these people that play here, I think it's some of these Carmona people playing very nicely, not big house or anything, but very proper. Just listen the intro, how harmonically evolved it is, right? It's just some phrase there. Then it comes a substitute, again another, right, to give color, because these things here are given in order to change the color of the chord progression, right? Otherwise we will be, that's what I said before in the documentary of Paco, that before it was just first minor, flat 7/7, flat 6/7, fifth 7, flat 9, and that's all. There were no chords going to other chord, or like secondary dominants or auxiliary dominants or substitute dominants. So in this example, the use of substitute dominant alters with the strong dissonance solved into the basic degrees of the scale. It's very interesting to observe this work here, right? This is how much flamenco guitar is evolving nowadays, right? Evolving, but evolving properly. There is also confusion instead of fusion, right? This is not fusion, this is pure tangos, gypsy tangos. And it has some lyrics there that you can hear in the gypsy marriages and in the events where they play, right? It's just a traditional line of singer that allows this change of color, like in the case of the substitute dominant fifth of the 4 minor. Also, we can say here that the use of the modal exchange chord fifth minor, because the fifth in flamenco is always fifth 7 flat 9, right? And here this use of the fifth minor, fifth of the fifth, flat 13, that can be with a 9 augmented, and then this is the fifth minor, because here we are in which key we are? F sharp minor, right? So although for the strumming it's okay, this one will be maybe more convenient if you are playing with one guitar. If you are playing with more, then the ninth chord, you have to be careful with this ninth chord here, with the ninths, with the major ninths in the fifth minor, because it sounds, if you are only in one, right? If you are in two, then that's okay. Like here with the orchestra, you can see how it fits very nicely. So let's play it again.
Porque te quiero,
interesting that different resources, you can use it into different parts. So now we analyze a bit of the harmony part, and then we will also talk about the strumming and that.